Forget everything you thought you knew about keyboards, because the Keychron K10 is here to rewrite the rules. This isn't just another mechanical keyboard. It's a leap forward with its Hall effect magnetic switches, promising unparalleled responsiveness and durability. Imagine a keyboard that feels incredibly smooth and registers your every tap with pinpoint accuracy, all while being built to last. The K10 wraps this cutting-edge tech in a stunning full-size design, featuring a premium aluminum frame accented with elegant rosewood sidings. It's a looker for sure, but it's the performance that truly shines. Connectivity is a breeze with its tri-mode system. You can connect up to 3 devices via Bluetooth 5.2, switch to a lightning-fast 2.4 GHz wireless connection, or go old school with a reliable Type-C wired connection. This flexibility means it's ready for anything, whether you're juggling work on your laptop, gaming on your PC, or even connecting to a console. What really sets this keyboard apart is the Hall effect technology. These magnetic switches don't rely on physical contact, meaning less wear and tear, and a lifespan that feels practically infinite. Plus, they're hot swappable, so you can easily swap them out if you ever want to experiment with different switches. The adjustable actuation point, ranging from a super-sensitive 0.2 to a more standard 3.8, is a game-changer for both typing and gaming. You can dial in the sensitivity to your exact preference, and the rapid trigger mode is an absolute dream for fast-paced games. Customization is king with the Keychron Launcher Web Configurator. You can remap any key, create complex macros, and fine-tune those actuation points to your heart's content. It's surprisingly intuitive, allowing you to truly make this keyboard your own. And for Mac users, Keychron has you covered with dedicated media keys and extra keycaps, making the transition seamless. It even plays nice with Linux, proving its universal appeal. The build quality is exceptional. The USA Profile double-shot PBT keycaps feel fantastic under the fingers, resisting shine and wear, while the natural wood sidings add a touch of sophisticated warmth that you just don't see on many gaming keyboards. It's a beautiful blend of modern technology and classic aesthetics. So is the Keychron K10, the ultimate magnetic switch keyboard. For anyone seeking a blend of cutting-edge performance, robust build quality, and elegant design, it comes incredibly close. It's a truly impressive piece of hardware that elevates both productivity and gaming.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.